Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this ASON Halloween scary mask. So it's listed on Amazon as ASON scary mask, but I think it's some kind of purge mask. At least I was told by my daughter. She knows all these things. She has been watching all these movies, and yeah, when I checked online, it really looks like a purge mask. Which you found on these really strange cinema movies some couple of years ago or so. I don't know if they are still around, but the thing, it looks really good. So as far as I've been able to see, this mask is now listed for only $9.99, and there's even a 10% coupon, so you should get it for only $9, even including delivery if you have Amazon Prime. And if you want to buy it, it's probably time to buy it now, so you still get it for Halloween. So it's a really nicely made thing for $16. You really cannot complain with all these lighting here, and it has a really good band in the back. It's just a single one, but it holds this mask really nice and firmly. I've already tried it on. I'm not going to show you how this looks at me. I mean, I'm looking too silly with that. I'm too old for that stuff, but if you are young, I mean, anybody can wear that. Maybe I'm still wearing it on Halloween. Yeah, you never know when it's dark, nobody knows you, but the thing is, I tried it on and it felt really comfortable. It has this cushion here. I don't really know why they put it here. I think it would really fit nicely for small children, or children at all. This probably is made to make it either more comfortable or to fit it for smaller faces, like for children, so it's not wobbling around. For adults, it's a little bit tight with this, so either you press it or compress it a little bit, or you put it in front of your chin. I had it for a couple of minutes like this. When you have your chin here instead of here, then it works as well, or you just remove it. I mean, it's just a piece of this soft whatsoever, don't know the name for that in English, but anyway, I think you can easily remove. It's probably just glued or with tape or whatsoever. The thing is, it's quite comfortable. It's I mean, of course it gets a little bit humid inside of the time, depends on where you live. Here in Florida, where it's probably gonna be warm and humid on Halloween, you will feel it. If you're up to the north, you maybe can enjoy a little bit protection against the cold if you're already in snow or whatsoever. The thing, of course, what you have to consider, I mean, actually the vision is good. I mean, the eyes, they fit really nicely. They are on the right height and width and everything, so it's really easy. I mean, at least for me, it was super easy to watch out. Even here you get some holes for the nose and mouth, so you should be able to speak easily and still have this really nice effect. The only thing which you have to consider, I mean, it is light. I'm going to turn down the light a little bit so you can see that, how this really works. And that's the thing, of course, you will have the light in front of your eye. So when you're out and it's dark, it could be that you get a little bit blinded because of the color. I mean, it's not really super strong light. It's but it is light, and when you have to get used your eyes to the darkness outside, I mean, you're usually not in complete darkness, but will hinder your vision probably a little bit. I've been trying to figure out in almost complete darkness, and then I had the impression that the vision was a little bit less, because of course when you have something bright in front of you and outside it's dark, it's a little bit limited. But it's with most of the masks you have some kind of limited vision. I mean, it's nothing special. I just wanted to let you know. So now I'm going to show you the light effect. I mean, it's not completely dark now, as you can see, but you get an impression how intense or weak the light will be. So I think it's a good compromise between that it's really good visible even from far, and not too bright to like bother you regarding your vision. So here we have the cable. I think you could even technically remove that, but yeah, anyway, and it goes here down, so it didn't really bother me. I was not even really feeling that, and I think it's long enough to put it nicely in your pocket. You have this button here which you can push, and then it switches from permanent light to slow blinking, and then you can even go into faster blinking and then again to off. So it cycles endlessly. So actually 3 lighting modes and 1 is off. Yeah, it's a nice thing. So I would say definitely for the price. The batteries are not included. There are 2 AA batteries needed, but I mean, we cannot complain. I think the mask is really good, by the way. Yeah, of course, there's not only the cushion here, we have the cushion also on top. Hope you can see that even in dark. So you have a little bit of distance to the mask, which will definitely give you more comfort, more air to breathe and whatsoever. It's a nice thing. I mean, I will definitely put it on my door till Halloween, and then probably I will wear it in the night when we go around the neighborhood. And yeah, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing of this really nice mask down into the description, so you can order it right from there. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.